Hi everyone, my name is Don Manuel Lopez. On this vlog, I'll be sharing the 3 uncommon Filipino words that I discovered along with their meanings and example. The first word is malalim. In definition, deep or profound. Example, ang ilog ay napakalalim, hindi ko naaabot ang ilalim. In English, the river is very deep, I couldn't reach the bottom. Number 2, bulagta. In definition, stumble or trip. Example, bulagta siya sa bato at nasugatan ang tuhod niya. In English, he got tripped on a rock and hurt his knee. Number 3, sigla. In definition, energy or vigor. Example, ang sigla ng mga bata nakakahawa. In English, the energy of the kids is contagious. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.